Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply for your tourist visa to Italy. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now. So guys, I want to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. And my intention is just to show you how to navigate through a service. Entry information I share in this video may or may not be suitable for you, and when you do your application, you got to do it as per your own case, because this is just a sample. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official Italian visa site. Okay, Directorate General for Italians Abroad and Migration Policy. Alright, this is available in multiple languages. You can click on EN if you want this in English. Okay, here this is the wizard. This is gonna be the main, because from here you're gonna know the process and you're gonna be redirected. What's your nationality? So you need to put, and this also gonna tell you if you need a visa or not. Country of residence, and then your reason. So if you select tourism, go to answers. This will exactly tell you all the steps. Now you can see the answers you entered. If you have made any mistake, you can again change your answers and click to go and answers. Go to answers. Okay, so you got to fill this form: recent passport size photo, valid travel document, return ticket or booking evidence, have their own means of transport, you have sufficient funds, supporting documentation in relation to applicant social and professional status, health insurance covering minimum this much, proof of accommodation, and where to apply. Now the location where you apply varies based on where you are residing. See, here I put India. If I change it to Canada, it's gonna be different. If I change it to some other country, it's gonna be different. So you can see that they have given the information, and also they have outsourced it to an agency. Based on the state you live, it is telling where you can apply. Okay, and how much it's gonna cost. So let's see, if you want to apply here, we will go to both the links, and we'll also open this form. Okay, so this is the Delhi Embassy site, and this is also available in English. So I click on English. Okay, yeah, now I find it better. Visas. So now, like, we selected 90 days tourism, so that comes under this type C visa. Okay, they have given the information, when to apply, where to apply. They have given like VFS information, where to apply. Okay, and they have also given the fee. So fee we already discussed in the previous page. So this information is clear, and now let's go to the VFS site. So VFS is here. First you need to identify the visa, so you have already identified. Then begin your application, then collect these documents. We already saw what documents are required. Then you got to book an appointment, you got to submit the documents along with the filled form, you got to pay the fee, and then you need to do this. Okay, alright, now let's see the form. Okay, so this is the application form we got. Perfect. Fill the online application Print the form containing 2D barcode. Take the form to an Italian representative. This is good, right? Proceed to online form. So we have multiple tabs. Applicant general information, home address, parent, authority, legal guardian, travel documents, travel information, sponsor, references. So all sections may not be applicable to you. Okay. So, and you have general user guidelines also. And okay, without filling up the mandatory fields, we cannot go to the next section. So we'll just navigate through it. We'll not submit it. So I'm going to put some sample values in these mandatory fields. So the next field is home address. So this is country other than nationality. I select no. Perfect. So this section I don't have to. Now home address I need to put. But if I select yes, I need to, because then that means you are living in a different country. Alright, let's see if I can skip all this together. No, I cannot. And what about this? If I select yes, still I gotta provide that information. Okay, fine. Alright, so I'm gonna put some sample, guys. Next section comes parent, authority, legal guardian. This is only in case of minor. So if you don't have any minor, then just go to the next section. Travel document, that's definitely. So I'm gonna put some sample. Okay, because you are going for Shenzhen location, so this information is very important. Okay, and so that's why I won't be filling up sample, but once you are done, you can submit and you can print, and then you saw the process, right? So that's how you can do. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. Thanks for watching.